Hello, I am Dr. Snots, and this is Mixology with Dr. Snots. Safety first. Cheers. It's quite hot outside, so me, Dr. Snots, will show you how to make a nice, refreshing drink. A drink I call Dr. Snots Tropical Blitz Creek.
Dr. Snots Tropical Blitz Creek. First add the rum, then the tropical juice, then the dash of lime, then tops off with a slice of lemon. I said tops up with a slice of lemon. One cut the lemon. Then you wait, eventually add the lemon. Then secure and add the ice.
Now it's time to enjoy the drink. Let's move on to something a bit more complicated.
Chicken without come to the University of Hamburg.
Something a bit more complicated. Secure the martini. Add the lime juice. Then squeeze the lemon. And add the lemonade. And the touch of the mystery ingredient. Add some human blood. And add some more lime. Got 2 minutes. Make sure you do the mix.
And we're done.